Hello friends, Namaste. Are you planning to start a business or planning to do investment? Then you must understand life cycle approach and then plan your investment. Then let us start. Every business have four stages. They are pioneering stage, rapid growth stage, maturity and stabilization stage, and the last one decline stage. Let us understand these stages one by one with an example of starting CNC machining center. The first stage is pioneering stage. CNC machine came to market somewhere between 1950s. At that time, it was a new technology to the market. Many entrepreneurs entered to the field by huge investment. This created lot of competition and disorder which leads to less profit. During the pioneer stage, it requires high investment but very low returns, which results in negative present value. Next one, the second stage is rapid growth stage. Many entrepreneurs underwent huge financial crisis because of poor financial management, but firms which survive the intense competition witness significant expansion in their sales and profit. During this stage, the returns on investment is high and leads to positive net present value. The third stage is maturity and stabilization stage. In this stage, industry is more or less fully developed and returns on the investment is average and leads to neutral net present value. In my view, starting CNC machining center is in the third stage of the business. The fourth stage, that is a decline stage. Due to encroachment of new technology and changes in the consumer preferences, the industry eventually enters the decline stage. Nowadays, industry is talking more about the 3D printing technology or rapid prototyping. This may lead to the decline of traditional machining centers. During this stage, investment on returns is very less and leads to negative present value. Let's summarize. If you are investing when the business in pioneering stage, return on investment is low and leads to negative net present value. During rapid growth, return on investment is high, results in the positive net present value. Investment during third stage, that is return on investment is average and results in neutral present value, that is no profit, no gain. During decline stage, return on investment is low and leads to negative present value. So, if you want to invest or start a business, it is always better to start a business when it is in second stage, that is growth phase. Thank you. Namaste.